G'day, going to show you guys the capabilities of the f1a4 after she's been modified up. I have one on the bench here. It's in pieces. I've been doing some extra upgrades and testing and modifications to this f1a4 that is on the bench here. I've got it connected up. If you follow the cable, runs around there to that cancel coil sitting there. I'll give you an idea of the sensitivity of this detector after she's done up. In my hand here, that's my 0.05 gram test piece. It's a very, very small piece of gold. Most detectors would struggle to detect that. But on the f1a4, give you an idea how sensitive it is. I'll try and get level so you can see. Okay, I'll try and get in plane with the coil. Now remember, this is a cancel coil, so half of the transmit field is in the other side of the coil there. So it's not really a good representation of how far we can get this speck of gold gives you some indication. On a larger object it's a hell of a lot better. What have I got here? It's got a small screw out of a minelab detector. We'll see how that goes. That's pretty good. Now this is only set up to do very, very small gold. Just having a look around. I don't know if I've got any more test targets sitting around here. I think they're all in the other room. But that gives you an idea anyway of this detector. And just to show that it is this particular one, I'll just touch the input. Yeah, but they end up looking like this one here. We have threshold, volume, tone, gain control, which is the subboard, which is there, which a lot of the other detectors won't have in it, as we have them manufactured for us. Medium, small and deep, and 3 timings. Yeah. We even put a connector on the back so you can run any standard cable and mine a battery if you want. But that's the f1a4. A very, very capable detector. Here we go. Good battery here. We'll give a battery a go as a test target. Am I up there? Oh, get the phone back a bit here. Oh no. Now that's probably a good 14 inches, but like I say, I'm using a cancel coil. It's not going to give a proper representation of the depth that you can get with this detector. And I'm not running it in deep gold mode. It's running in the very, very small gold mode. If I change one of the address lines here, I'll just fire up this address line. I'll get it to I should really solder it on. I'm not getting a good connection. You can see the amps there on the power supply have gone over to 1 amp. That's now in the deep gold mode. And I'll get the battery again. Oh, I'll stand up for this. Let me see, I'm probably up at about 18 inches or so. But again, it's on the cancel coil. I don't even know if I got the gain turned all the way up either, come to think of it. I have got the gain turned up all the way. Anyway, there you go. That's an f1a4. Well, it's in bits anyway. It's an experimental detector. That one's for where we do all our experiments on. And that's the real one. Well, there's a few real ones in here actually. I think it's f1a4 month. And there's another one, and another one. So there's a few f1a4s that we're doing up, and they're very, very popular. There's another one in the box down there, and 5,000 there, and something else there. There's detectors all over the place. But anyway, gives you an idea of the f1a4's capabilities.